Hello guys, here's a WhatsApp floating chat button that will add to Shopify today. It stays fixed on the screen, works on both desktop and mobile, and lets customer contact you instantly through WhatsApp. Here's how it looks. Open the link in the description below, which will take you to the page with all the instructions. And the first step is to open your theme code. So from your Shopify admin, go to online store, click on the three dots and select edit code. So copy theme.liquid from here and simply paste it in the search bar and open the file and search for the closing body tag. There's only one body tag here. And then you simply need to paste this code just above this body tag. And it's done. Now you simply need to change the number here with your own number or any number you want to connect to the WhatsApp chat button. The first two digits are your country code, and the last 10 are your number. And that's it. You have now connected your actual number with the WhatsApp chat button. The last step is to simply open base.css, simply search for it and scroll to the very bottom and paste the CSS code that I have provided in this file. And that's it. You're done. Simply took 2 minutes. And that's it. You have successfully added a floating WhatsApp chat button to your Shopify store without using any app. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more Shopify coding tutorials and conversion focused customizations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.